Now we are going to check the sensation and the reflexes. So first we are going to examine the pain. So for this, ask your patient to close the eyes and take a object with a blunt end and close your eyes. जहाँ जहाँ मैं रखूँ ना वहाँ अपना दूसरे हाथ से बताना कि मैंने वहाँ रखा. So now ask the patient to put the another hand on the place where I touched with this sharp end. Okay. Now do this same with the other hand. Now ask the patient to give the legs and just perform this. Perform the same. Close your eyes. Okay. दूसरा दे. Okay. Thank you. Take a soft object like cotton. Okay. Now same. Just ask the patient to close the eyes and take one hand and ask the patient wherever he feels the object. Okay. Same perform with the other hand. थोड़ा सही से. Okay. Now to test the vibration, take the patient's hand. If the patient is not answering the proper that he is feeling the vibration or not, then wait till the vibration ends and then just see what he feels or not. Okay. Perform this same with the other hand. Now perform this same on the legs. अभी खोलना दो. Wait. If the patient is not answering proper, same wait till then the vibration is over. Thank you. Now just move the toe and ask the patient. If you move upwards, just ask the patient to close the eyes, and when you move it upwards, let's just look what patient says, up or down. Okay. Up, down, up, down, right, left. Now take the other leg and perform the same. Up, down, right, left. Okay. Now take different objects in your hand. Ask the patient to close the eyes, and then just put the one object and ask the patient to feel it and ask him to tell what is that object or not. Okay. So close your eyes and give me put this. Now ask the patient to tell what is there in his hand. Cotton. Okay. It is okay if he is giving the answer in 5 seconds. That's normal. Okay. And put another thing. Okay. Now same do with the another hand. Give me a clip. Okay. Okay. The patient to close your eyes and then make a big letter or any numerical number and ask the patient what is it. Okay. 4. Okay. 2. Okay. Now just ask the patient to put other hand and where he feels. सीधे कर. Now you can put simultaneously both on the hands and the leg and ask the patient to tell where you have put in it. Okay. Okay, thank you. Ask the patient to cross the hands like this. Then take this and put it on the patella. थोड़ा सा पैर हिलाने से मानो ना आगे पीछे लो. Same with the another. Now ask the patient to keep both the hands like this. So, okay. 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 The patient's hand like this. Okay. Perform same on this side. Okay. With the flat hand, flat side of the hammer, like this. Just check. Same on the other hand. Okay. Put the hammer on the lower side of the patella. Check the reaction. Same on the other side. Okay. उंगलियां और अंगूठा पीछे. Now same with the other. पीछे करना.